Come inside of my heart if you're looking for answers. Look at the stars, go a little bit faster.
So, sasakay tayo ng bus from Tirana. So, galing po ako ng hotel ko from Tirana and papunta tayo ngayong terminal of Berat. So, nakarating na nga po ako sa terminal. I'm still looking for the bus going to Berat. Excuse me. So, wala pong kailangang advance ticket dito. Magbabayad po ng cash sa mismong bus na kapag sasakay na. O, diba? Parang nasa terminal lang ako ng bus papuntang Batangas.
So finally, I'm here in the bus. Rode a bus from Tirana to terminal. And right now we are here in the terminal going to Berat. It will be like a 2.5 hours ride. 11:37 as of the moment. So every time I ask someone, they're very much willing to help. And this is what I love about Albania. So pakainit. Dalawa pa lang kami nandito na sa bus papuntang Berat. So kaya nakakapag-vlog ko. So dito na lang meron tayong pamaypay.
And after nga po ng 2.5 hours, almost, nandito na tayo sa Berat. So dahil po umuulan at wala tayong payong, susunduin po tayo ng may-ari ng Airbnb. So here, inaantay ko po siya niyan.
Look at that. Hello guys, so I am here now. I've arrived in Berat and it's been raining hard. Just settled down in my room. Look at it. This is my room. I'm gonna show you. So I have here a huge bed. It's so phenomenal. And can you hear the rain outside? Yes, it's raining a lot. I have here some carpet. And this is the bathroom. Oh, you have a huge bathroom here.
So, medyo nabasa po tayo ng ulan. So, kailangan mag-ready muna and mag-shower para hindi tayo magkasakit during the travel.
water now, no?
Yeah. Now it's empty, but the space is like the home. And,
Really? Like this whole?
all this one.
Wow.
It's like double this one, and all the water from the rooftop came here down. In the gap was a tap, and we open the tap, and people get water.
Wow. So it
always
looks
they-
like a well.
Yeah.
So yun nga, dumating nga yung may-ari ng Airbnb and pinakita niya lang naman yung well. And this is the look of my room. That's the well. This is my bathroom. And after the shower, I'm getting ready na to go out here kasi I never had the time to have lunch and actually gutom na ako niyan. So, syempre lalabas pa rin tayo kasi kailangan natin kumain. At ito nga yung bumugad na panahon.
So, ayan. May ito. Hi, Kuya. Larag. Where are we? You know what? I think I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back and then eat there. The restaurant in front of us, I can't. The rain is too heavy. Can you see that?
So, medyo natakot akong dumiretso pababa niyan kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan. So, ginawa ko, bumalik ako malapit dun sa Airbnb. And then, naghanap ako ng another location kung saan tayo pwedeng kumain ng lunch.
What? That is just an angry heavens. And here we have to be very, very, very careful.
So, naglakad-lakad na po tayo ng konti dito. So, kung nakikita nyo, binivideohan ko po yung mga streets dyan para hindi ko makalimutan na hindi ako maligaw. So, sa paglalakad nga natin, napadpad tayo dito sa Beratino.